Today we are going to learn how to use else with for loop. Now let's get started. Here you can see I have a list of fruits which has apple, mango, orange, pineapple, fig. Then I have carrot which is a vegetable. Here then I am assigning a variable called found with value false. Then I am using a for loop and then I am checking if fruit the items which is available in the fruits list is carrot. Then I am updating the found variable with true and using the break statement to come out of this loop. Now here I want to print a statement like say if there is no carrot in the list, I want to print list contains only fruit. Instead of using this variable, we can do this in simple way using for else. Let's see that in action. Instead of writing like this using this found additional variable, you can use this for else and can complete your task very easily. What does this for else loop does is like if your for loop executed from start to end without any error or break, then it will print this element. Here what we need is like if carrot is not there in the fruit list, we want to print list contains only fruit. In that case you can have this in a else block. Now let's try to run our code. We should not see any output because here we have carrot. Now let me try to run my code. I should not see anything. Here you can see it didn't print. Now let's try to remove our carrot from here. I'm going to remove this carrot so that we should see like list contains only fruits. I'm going to save my code. If I try to run my code again, this time I should see list contains only fruit. Thanks for watching.